Hello, my friend. Welcome to MetaMind Meditation, the channel bringing you peace and wellness through guided meditations, sleep meditations, and practical tips for living a more fulfilling life. This guided meditation will focus on the feeling of love from within. The goal is to increase your mood and awareness of the love you already have in your life. Let's begin. Place yourself in a seated position. Relax and inhale slowly and deeply. Allow the eyelids to close or remain slightly open, whichever is more comfortable to you. Focus on breathing deeply but comfortably. Now imagine a warm wave, like an ocean current, gently washing over your head and endowing you with a sense of relaxation. Feel your scalp relax as the wave moves to the rest of your head. Your forehead relaxes. Your temples and ears relax. Your face softens and your jaw goes slack. You are calm and relaxed. Feel the wave washing over your neck and shoulders. Feel the weight being washed away as your neck and shoulders sink into a feeling of comfort. You are calm and relaxed. As the wave ebbs over your arms and torso, feel them warm up and give way to a sense of calm. From your shoulders to your elbows, to your wrists, to your hands, and through your fingers. Feel the wave gently wash over your chest and abdomen. With each breath, notice the tension leaving those muscles. As the current courses across your back, feel the wave of relaxation slowly drift down your spine and radiate outward to the muscles that support it. You are calm and relaxed. Now feel this wave washing through your hips, releasing any tightness you may be carrying there. The ebb and flow wash over your legs now, from your hips to your knees, down to your ankles, your feet, and through your toes. Feel the warmth throughout your body. Each deep breath makes you feel lighter and happier. You are calm and relaxed. Bring your center of consciousness to your chest. Focus on your heart. See if you can feel its gentle rhythm. This pulse is your life. It beats uniquely for you, but it also beats in chorus with all of the people in your life. Now think back to when you were a child. Remember a moment with a friend or family member who showed you how much they loved you. Get into that moment and relive that wonderful feeling. Feel the love well up until you can't help but smile. Now think about the people in your life right now. Choose one of these important people and think about how much they love you. Remember something kind they said, or how they helped you with something with no expectations. Remember how much they love you right now and feel it. Feel the love growing until the corners of your mouth turn up into a smile. Now imagine the future. This could be 50 years from now, or it could be as soon as next week. Imagine being with someone important to you. Imagine someone you haven't even met yet. Imagine what it will be like to spend a day with this person. Feel the love between the two of you. Feel this love building up from your heart until you have a warm smile on your face. You have so much love in your life. You have people from your past who love you. You have people in your life right now who love you. You have people whom you haven't even met yet who love you. Sit now for a moment with all of this love washing over you. Let's begin to return. Take one last deep breath. Begin slowly moving your body, your arms, your legs, your head, and neck. Gently begin to open your eyes. As you go about your day, carry this feeling of love with you. Look for opportunities to pass this wonderful feeling on to other people. I hope you have such a wonderful day. Peace and light upon your beautiful soul, forever and always.